Sorting algorithms. Quicksort. The main concept of quicksort algorithm is to select a pivot element and partitioning the array into two sub-arrays, one with elements smaller than the pivot and one element larger than the pivot. The pivot is then placed in its correct position. To start off with a quicksort function, this function takes the array into two indices low and high. If low is less than high, then we can partition the array using the partition function, which returns the correct position of the pivot element. Then we can recursively call the quicksort function onto the subarrays to the left and right of the pivot. For the partition function, it selects the last element as the pivot. It iterates through the array and places the elements smaller than the pivot on its left and elements greater than the pivot on the right. The index I tracks the position where the next smaller element should go. Finally, the pivot is swapped to the element at I plus 1 to place it in the correct position. Once done, the output should look like this. This is the quicksort algorithm.